Are we ready?
Yeah, good.
Hey guys, hello, we keep it dirty off-road. And originally when I was shoot this video, it was gonna be your typical piece on this channel, a DIY piece on how to change the hubs on the Raptor. And I was gonna highlight all the maintenance requirements that are required for a mid-travel truck, you know, because they do require quite a bit of extra maintenance. A lot of the components tend to wear out quicker. But when this was shot, it was after a very difficult time with the truck after a really bad experience with one of the companies I work with. You know, at the end of the day, I just needed a few days to just kind of work on the truck rather than try to have the pressures of filming and putting together a video. But as my truck is this YouTube channel, we decided to at least set up the camera as a time lapse so that you guys can see the process in time lapse while we talk about some major updates coming to my Gen 1 Raptor. Now, when we actually shot this video, it was over 9 months ago. And it's been a long time. At the time, it had only been 2 years since we built the truck from the ground up, and my hubs are gone after just 18 months. This is what normal hub movement looks like. And this was my truck's hubs after just 18 months. Can I do the sides now? But I think that's mostly that's the bearing, I think.
Yeah, I think that's the bearing, just losing it and just going
And keep in mind, guys, we installed new hubs as part of the rehab we did when we first got her. But both of my front hubs are bad. They wore out very quickly. And honestly, this is normal. I was hoping to get more out of them, but you know, after talking to a few folks, getting more than a year out of front hubs on a mid-travel truck is about normal. So I actually got more than I should have. Now, you guys may be asking what went wrong. Well, we actually discovered the worn out hubs when we were gonna upgrade the brakes on this truck. Those eagle-eyed of you that have been following this channel for a while or have been following us on Instagram will notice the truck doesn't have the Wildwood kits installed on them.
It's just starting to...
Yeah, because we had to take it off.
Yeah, because you can feel the lip right here.
Yep. It's the drawback of having to take them off and put these back on. I have this really great custom set, lime green Wildwood kit, ready to go for this truck. And, you know, and we actually got them installed on the truck. Can film the whole video, the whole process to install them and everything. But we couldn't release that video because we quickly found out something was wrong. And unfortunately, when we tried to get help, the reaction we got from one of these companies was not what we expected. And I couldn't release the video. I just couldn't. Now, I'm not gonna get into detail on what went wrong because honestly, it's not worth it. At the end of the day, it'll make me look bad. It'll make the companies I work with look bad. And obviously, lawsuits don't help. And for those wondering, yeah, that's why certain companies' logos are not on my truck anymore. They've all been removed. All you guys need to know is this. The Wildwood kits were not the cause of my problems. And I'm actually gonna be saving them for the truck. We will be installing these kits, just not with this suspension system. But because I had a really bad experience with the company that makes the current suspension system on my truck, it actually accelerated our plans a little bit, and we're gonna be doing some major changes to the truck. Now, in upcoming videos, we're gonna start really talking about all the changes that are coming to the truck and really give you guys a deep dive on what's coming. The changes are gonna be big, guys, because we're gonna break it here. I am going to be installing a full ATEM suspension system on this truck. So if everything works out over here over the next couple of months, at the beginning of January 2025, we'll actually get a whole different truck altogether, basically, with the upgrades that I have in mind. So if you guys want to stay updated on all those changes coming, because we have a lot, please consider subscribing. It's the best way you can support this channel. Questions and comments below, and thank you for watching.